How to fix enable to like. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix enable to like on TikTok app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok, and here on your profile all you need to do is click on those three lines and click on setting and privacy. Now all you need to do is scroll down and you're gonna find report a problem. Sorry, before that, you can clear cache on your TikTok to see if this problem just a normal problem. Because I had this problem before. Click on free apps page and clear cache, and this is will help. The second thing, go and see if you are have the latest version. If this is if you make sure of all this stuff, click on report a problem and scroll down. You're gonna find likes, follow and comments. Click on it. Scroll down again, you're gonna find likes. Click on it. Enable to like. This, click on the problem of enable to like, and here they're gonna uh, give you some advices like switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, clear up video cache, and restrict the app and your device. Make sure you are running the latest version of TikTok. It's basically the same thing I said. And if doesn't help you, click on no and click on need more help. Now, what you're gonna do is take a video shot that when you are trying to like a video, the message they give you, or if your TikTok just blocked, and click on write a feedback and send them a video screenshot and report, and they're gonna solve your problem. It's gonna take about 24 hours. So this is it guys, don't forget to subscribe and like.